What is the best way to escape the reality and enjoy our beautiful world? Hi, I'm Serene, a designer in Hong Kong. I love drawing, but I sometimes come across some issue of the sketching pencils. Whether the pencil is hard enough to sharpen or easy to break. So I created this set of sketching pencils. This not only suits your needs, but also I wish that this could motivate and help more artists create more art. I only choose the most used grades for this pencil set. The wood and lead are the core of the pencil. To make the sharpening process easier, I've chosen the wood from California. The lead is strong, break resistant and soft, so it is not easy to break but easy to blend. You are not only backing just a set of pencils, but you are also helping me to create an art community. Every month I will invite some artists to give a tutorial on our blog. I need your help to inspire more people to join us. Back us now.